We back at it. Do not mind my cover. It is freezing in my house right now. All right, let's do this. Let's rock out. Okay, so there goes IWM. The market is open, guys. Market's open. So QQQ selling off a bit here. IWM, we're sitting under the VWAP. So you got to be careful again. Like I said, if we come back 12-hour low. Okay, so remember this 12-hour low candle right here. This is the 12 hours low. Okay, low of that wick. Yeah, Dev, I'll have to look at it once we're done trading, or once I'm in a trade and I have time to like look at yours. What's up to everybody in the stream? What's going on? So like I said, it's possible that we can break back. We are full time frame continuity. Remember, you have data at the 30-minute orb, right? So look, the 1 hour is giving you a 1-3 setup. It would behoove you to take this entry before that, right? Because you know you have data and we're already flipping into a 3-bar. So data can go either direction, right? Remember that, TSA. Data can go in either direction. So the thing you got to keep in mind is A, am I looking for an earlier entry, or B, do I want to be confident in the entry that I'm actually taking, right? So remember what I said. If we break up, now remember too, when IWM gives these really, really strong moves right out of the gate, what usually happens is it sells right back off. So 260 is a key level. You want to watch this. Behoove. I know, I just learned that word. Yo, shout out to everybody here in the stream. If you guys are just coming into the stream, drop a what's up down below in the chat. Drop a what's up down below in the chat. Yo, Walk, thank you for the roses, man. Appreciate you. Premiums are juiced right now. I bet they are. I've gotten burned way too much by IWM at these big opens. Yeah, you would rather just be patient and wait. So QQQ just triggered, guys. Like I said, 595.46 is the target that you want to have. Second target is 592.94. So look at IWM failing, right? Failing this 260 level. Now again, I'm gonna be patient and wait for the 30-minute orb here, just because I do know we have data, and I'd rather trade the actual volatility as opposed to taking an earlier entry. Liquidity grab on IWM, exactly. Now remember on QQQ as well, that 4-hour level there, that bottom, it can easily be a liquidity grab too. So just be patient. There's no need to be in a rush today. There's no need to be in the rush today. I haven't even looked at the cons on the IWM or QQQ. Let me see. I haven't even had a chance to look on QQQ. Oh, they tweaking. Oh my God. Why are the contracts that high? Yeah, no, that's called IV crushed. I think because Google reported earnings too. Yeah, be careful of tech. Be careful of tech. Let me pull up SPX over here on this monitor. Yo, what's going on, everybody in the stream? If you guys are here, if you guys can hear me good on the stream and I'm not lagging or anything, say what's up down below in the chat. If you're here on TikTok, Twitter, or YouTube, let me know down below. Is my audio good? We lagging at all, or are we good? Look at QQQ getting bought up right off these lows. Open SPX chart and couldn't find price for a minute. Gap down that bad. Oh, you know what? Now that you said that, I actually don't see it either. Oh yeah, no, this thing's getting crushed. So on SPX, you want to watch 6,800. If we lose 6,800, we could potentially sell off even bigger here. Let me I gotta join the TikTok on my phone. I can hear you good? Okay, cool. Welcome in, welcome in. Shout out to everybody here on the stream. It's been a little minute since I streamed, but we back at it right now. If you guys could, go ahead and tap the screen. Get us to 10,000 likes. Get us to 10K likes. I'm trading live with my my Discord right now, so you guys are just kind of seeing the behind the scenes of it. Thank you for what you do, my guy. Thank you. I appreciate it. Trump is speaking right now, just saying. Is he? I don't see no tweets about it. Let me see something real quick. Trump just, he know he about to pump something, bro. White House streaming it. I don't know why I didn't get a notification for it. Yeah, I definitely did not get a notification for it. Oh, well, know, it is what it is. We'll see. Yeah, I'm gonna still wait for the 30-minute orb. Probably on now live. I thought he spoke. Yeah, he speaks at 7, but I guess he's now. He's on now. He don't like how low the market is. Got to get Baron ready for the ultimate long. No facts. He's setting his son up for the ultimate run. Now here, as you guys can see, this is a very strong recovery here, and we're also flipping the 1 hour into a 3 bar. So again, you do have data at 10 a.m. You can look for the data move, okay? But right now, this is a strong recovery on QQQ. This is a very, very strong recovery. So you just want to be a little bit more patient here. If you guys are watching the stream, I only have you guys watching IWM, mainly because I'm only looking at 2 tickers, and then it kind of looks weird if I have them both side by side. So right now, you guys are just looking at IWM right now. Right now, you guys are just looking at IWM. Let me turn my brightness up too. Okay, cool. There we go. Make sure you guys tap on the screen. If you're watching this on TikTok, get us to 10K likes. Anyone else having issues with TradingView lagging? Nah, mine looks pretty okay. Mine looks okay. I don't know. So let's wait for this 5-minute candle to print too. Let's just see. Like I said, we're looking for the 30-minute orb. So 10 a.m. we're looking for that move. Would you run puts or calls on IWM for today? It depends on what data comes back as. So we got red folder day today. Yeah, no, QQQ's contracts are insanely expensive. Let the premiums die down. You don't want to get IV crushed. And then too, with the market, that just shows that when the premiums are like that, sometimes it can kind of give you a hint that we might see a little bit of choppiness. So when the contracts are inflated like that, a lot of times you can see a lot of choppiness. So remember, on that 5-minute, especially if you're watching intraday moves, right? When you're getting these long wicks and really big move ranges, like this is a $2 range that IWM just moved in, right? When you see stuff like this, you got to be very, very, very careful. This is where patience pays. So right now on IWM, you have a 1-3 setup, right? On the 1 hour, you're looking for that break. Should also be in cahoots and in alignment with the 30-minute orb as well. SPY might get back to previous day lows at 682, so watch that as well. SPX already up 10 points from open. So this looks pretty good. QQQ, if it gets back through 603, we could see a stronger move back up to 606 as well. So I don't know, whatever Trump's saying, he's definitely pumping it. Grand Rising, good morning, Nye. What platform do you use? This is TradingView, but I take all my trades on Webull. You do the orange and purple for displacement? No, these are the Strat. That is what we trade, the Strat. Okay, so remember what I told y'all, right? For those of you guys who are watching this TSA, remember what we talked about on that 12-hour. So just remember that. So we're now 3 bar on the 1 hour on both QQQ and on IWM. If data don't give none, I'm staying cash. You know, facts. Because this move is already happening right out of the gate. So if we don't get a strong move on data, I won't trade. What was that again? That app, TradingView, and then I'll take my trades on Webull. Are you bearish or bullish? Bullish. In this scenario right now with the sell-off that we had yesterday, I am a little bit more bearish, but right now it's looking like the dip's getting bought up. We'll really know if SPX can get through 68.50 and we can see QQQ get back through 606. I think we'll look a little bit better on the bearish side. 12-hour trigger for IWM is 261.08, correct. As the halfway mark. So we'll see. So there goes QQQ back through 603. SPX now up 25 points here since open. So it's moving pretty nice. Google, huge reversal. So Google just triggered the upside move, guys. That 321 was the entry. Look for that gap fill. I think it's probably pulling the rest of the market with it. I don't know how Microsoft is doing. Nah, thank you so much for the gifteds. It means a lot. Thank you. Yeah, if y'all are watching this on the stream too, Y'all can feel free to drop questions down below. Bro, what happened to the clothing brand? I just decided I don't want to do clothing no more. I've been doing this craft here for years, and I felt like this was a better option for me and who I wanted to become and who I want my children to model after. Not saying there's anything with clothing, but as I mature, I also realized that, you know, there's certain things that I want for myself. But the videos are out there now, so you guys can, you know, feel free to watch them as much as you want. I loved your side quest video. They helped me. I'm glad that they was able to help. Yeah, I just kind of outgrew that space. The first 30 minutes is the longest, I swear to God. No, I'm telling you. I think it's because we'd be watching a 5-minute probably. TSM is looking good. Oh my God, y'all. We forgot to look at silver. My bad, y'all. I completely forgot to look at silver. Respect. I loved your clothing, man. By the way, thank you. I appreciate that. It means a lot. So you just do trading for working? Long-term investing and trading, correct? Yes. So right now on the 4-hour, I think, did you say that, Eddie? No, you said the 12-hour. I think on the 4-hour here, 260.80 is the 3-bar Rev 50% level. I made $500 off BDR. Buy it. Oh, you're tripping. Is it easy to trade? I don't think any craft that you really want to get really good at is easy. Honestly. I don't think, like, I will say it's easier to understand. I think people overcomplicate a lot of it. I think I have a unique way of explaining things. Did silver, hold on, let me see something real quick. Let me flip this silver. I mean, it's up about $1. Not bad. Silver gap down. The strat has made it feel simpler. Absolutely. I think the strat is, I think most people try to go about things in the same manner that other people do it in. And I think once you learn this way of trading, I think it becomes easier. Like, I'm taking people who are 9-to-5ers or people who are new to the market and still making it make sense to them. A lot of people do complicate trading. I agree. Waiting for a valid market entry on SOV. Yeah, I'm primarily watching IWM today, so we'll see how data comes back, and we'll mark out the 30-minute orb. What amount of capital do you suggest when you start with trading? I mean, in our group, we have people who start with all different ranges. I mean, we have Dre. She's in the group. She started with $90. Her account is, I think, at like $2,200. We have quite a few members who start with like $500. They're growing their account. So like, you don't need thousands of dollars to start. I think that's the biggest misconception, is like, when you look at the market, people think that either A, in order for me to get exposure into the market or to be able to invest in the market, I have to be able to buy a whole share. No, number one, there's something called fractional shares. So it means if you don't have, let's say a stock's share price is $200, right? This is just for investing purposes, because people think about this when they get into the market. Let's say, there goes IWM breakout, y'all. Let's say, you know, a stock share price. Let's take Google, for example. Google's at $325 a share right now. Most people look at this and be like, oh, I don't want to invest $325 just to get one share. No, if you don't have that much capital to invest into it, you can buy a fraction of that share. So if you only got $100, you can still get exposure to Google with $100. You just get a fraction of what you were going to get. Does that make sense? It's the same thing with options. Options trading, people think they need thousands of dollars to be able to trade options. No, it's not true. You just need proper risk management, and you got to trade things that have lower contract prices. Man, this move right out of the gate is insane right here. Insane. That 50%, I mean, it just was at open though. That was the only thing. Are you on IWM? Nah, not right now. I'm waiting for data at 10 a.m. I'm waiting for data. SPX might fill this gap, honestly. I think we're about 30 points off from filling the gap. We're up about 30 points on the day. SPY here, reversal out of previous day lows at 681.80. Could see 684 next, which is our previous week lows. IWM looks the strongest here though. So we're getting up to this 12-hour range here. Did y'all take it, TSA, or y'all still waiting for the orb? I know. I think, who was that? Eddie, did you end up taking it? Or no, you said 261. What was it? I don't know why my memory is terrible. 261.08. Okay, I see. Yeah, I'm gonna just wait. Are you actually live right now? Yes. What site do you use? This is TradingView. It all seems confusing though. It's okay. You know, a lot of things seem confusing. Driving seems confusing before you get into the car and you see somebody else doing it and then you learn it. I think again, like we got to remember that anything worth knowing, it's not going to just be a walk in the park, because if that's the case, then everybody already knew it. You know? So I think you just got to have the right person who can break it down to you in a way where it makes sense. I think that's really what it is. A lot of people are I think too, when you watch so many YouTube videos, I'm a huge advocate for, if you want to go learn for free, go learn for free. You know what I mean? I put a lot of stuff out on YouTube myself. So if you want to check out my stuff, you can. But I think when you're watching too many YouTubers and you're watching too many strategies and you're watching too many different things, it becomes way more difficult. How many hours a day does this take? Usually two hours a day. 2 to 2.5 for us right now. So I'll kind of give you guys an idea of what our demographic is in TSA. So TSA is my group. It stands for the School of Threaded Arts. We have we have a couple hundred traders in here, right? Right now, if I lower my screen, you guys will see this. So let me show y'all, for those of you watching on the stream, we have 126 people right now who are trading live with us in the Discord. So we do these private inside of the Discord. I just sometimes stream it when I trade. But most of the individuals in here, they work 9 to 5s. So, you know, for us, it's like one of those things where if you work a 9 to 5, this can definitely be something that works for you. You just got to make it fit around your schedule. What platform are you using? This is TradingView. Yo, if you guys are in here on the stream, can you guys get the stream to 10,000 likes? I know a couple of y'all like to know what my indicators are. If you get us to 10K likes, I'll give you all my indicators. You just screenshot them. Random question, but do you make offers to build out an account? I got a message. No, I don't. Those are fake accounts. Please beware. This is my only account, y'all. This is my only account. So SPX is kind of sitting at the 68.50 level. I mean, we're up about 30 points on the day, so it needs to get through 68.60 in order to be like, you know, have higher odds of filling that gap. So we'll see. Got about 13 minutes till data. I'm glad I found this account. Thank you, man. I appreciate that. How do I get started? Well, right now my group is currently closed. We do open and close enrollment in TSA. So right now you can just enjoy the free information that I'm giving you. Yeah, if you want to come to a class, you can click this little orange button right here. I think it's like right here. Y'all should see like an orange button with a white arrow. You can click that. There's a free class you can sign up for. But right now TSA is closed, so you can't join at the moment. Sorry. Maybe we can get in on the pullback. You gotta wait a little bit first. This move right here is a very, very strong move. You got QQQ rising off previous day lows off 600. Like I said, key psychological number. Failed 2 on the 2 hour for IWM. It's looking pretty good here. Now the only thing is with this 1 hour, we're getting up to these highs, these pre-market highs, and this is also the 12-hour 3 reversal. So we just got to be a little bit patient. I'll wait for data. But right now it's looking bullish. So if this closes like this, like I said, if we get data and it closes like this and it makes this move higher, then, you know, by all means, we can make that move higher. I entered IWM 12-hour. Let's go. You took the 50% level, Eddie? I was studying your free Strat and SMC video on YouTube. The indicator SMC from Ricky Z. Carroll. Any other option? That's the Strat indicator. The SMC one, there's not really any other one I would recommend, honestly. I really don't use SMC as much now. I use mainly key levels. I think that's really all you need, in my opinion. What time frame are you on? So this top time frame is the 5-minute, and this is the 1 hour, because I day trade. What we're trading right now, we're looking for IWM or QQQ setups. But we got data at 10 a.m., so I'm looking to see what happens there. Oh, it says it's no longer available. Really? That's crazy. All I trade is key levels too. Yeah, that's really, in my opinion, all you really need. You said how many likes? We get the indicators at 10K likes. You guys can get my indicators. So we're kind of pausing here. Like I said, TSA, if we come back, let's say we get a failed 2 or something like this up here, and we start coming back through this range, and then data ends up giving us a negative reaction, this thing could sell right back off, and then we could take out these lows here. So right now it looks bullish. I'm gonna wait though, because again, data is in 10 minutes, no need to rush, but I'm gonna just be patient. But if you do get a strat reversal set up here, just identify and understand that this could potentially go lower. But right now it looks pretty bullish. So just register for Sunday's class. Dope, dope, dope. Okay, there goes IWM. Beautiful move, man. It's a gorgeous move. QQQ up 4 points at open. SPX here is at 68.55. Market looks like it wants to bounce here. Market looking like it wants to bounce. So if it wants to continue, I'll let it continue. We will see. We will see. Jumped in QQQ, got out early, but 34% base hit. Let's go, D. $500 on the day. In what, 20 minutes? You can't beat it. You take IWM. No, I'm not in anything right now. I'm waiting for the 30-minute. Waiting for the 30-minute. Good morning, Sahara. How are you? What are your favorite stocks to trade? IWM and QQQ. Pending this data. Yeah, we gotta wait for the data. They're in alignment right now. I love how the support of this community is way better than the actual people I know. Thanks, man. You still got clothing brands? Nah. I mean, I got them. My daughter is my first one, One Love. My daughter owns that, but she's 8 right now, so I just don't do anything with it right now because this is what I truly want to do the rest of my life. Clothing brand is something I'll have as a venture for her to go and do. Instead of her starting a whole new business, she can have one that was already successful. What's the lowest cash account you can start with? I think y'all can start with like $100, right? I'm pretty sure you can start with like a $10 account, honestly. Yeah, $100. I mean, Dree grew her account from $90, so $100, 50. You can really start with $50, honestly. What broker do you use? I use Webull. Is your Discord open? Nah, TSA is currently closed right now. It's currently closed. Yes. All right, so this is looking a little suspicious. Okay, so we got the 3 bar on the 5 minute here. Again, I am waiting until the 30-minute orb though. Will you let us know if you're going calls or puts? Yeah, I'll call out my entry when I take it at 10 a.m. Please teach me the game, coach. Just tune into the lives, hit the follow button all the way at the top of your screen. There's a follow button. You can click that. You guys will be able to tune in. I post a lot of free information out there. The reason I do open and close enrollment for TSA is just because like I have a lot of serious people in here, and I feel like when a lot of people try to join groups and it's just always open, you get a lot of unserious people. So we're technically quality checking you before you come in. Like if you're not intentional, if you're not gonna show up, if you're not gonna complete our curriculum, we actually don't want you to come in. Like I don't need your money. Basically the point I'm trying to get at. It's either you do the work. It's either you show up and you're gonna do the work and you're gonna be able to be a part of a community that's doing the work, or you don't. Been in here for a couple days now. Patience is key and I'm impatient. All good. You'll learn, trust me. You will learn, trust. Well, I already like that because you're clearly not just for money. 100%. 100%. Yeah, it's more about quality individuals. Like right now we got 133 people in our live stream right now. So imagine like people who don't like, they're not consistent, them coming in and trying to do all of this, it wouldn't make sense. Using the first weekend to watch a lot of the curriculum and learning. Yeah, I do not recommend taking any trades unless you're paper trading. I do not recommend taking any trades unless you're paper trading. Okay, so there goes the reversal here on IWM, like I told y'all. So it looks like we're reversing that 12-hour high. Now, I don't know, this could just be a little breather, but like I said, I'm still waiting for the 30-minute orb. But this could set up back through this 12-hour low, could potentially give this move to the downside. You're seeing a little bit of exhaustion here. These wicks to the upside. So I might end up taking a stab at that though. If it breaks here, this is what my entry criteria would look like. I would do, it looks like it wants to give that move right now. And then I would probably target the days open. It will look something like this. It's about a 3-to-1 risk to reward. And then let me actually pull this down to about right here. This is what it would kind of look like right here. Now overall it still looks very bullish right now. So this is just the entry criteria that I could use. Like this is just showing a lot of exhaustion. So remember, when you guys are trading and you see a lot of these wicks, so there goes the move right there. Do I want to take this? I might end up taking this right here. Let me see what the contracts look like. I don't want to take a preemptive move, but SPX just rejected 68.50. Let me see here. So I'm gonna wait before I take this. Actually no, I'm gonna just wait for the 30-minute orb. I'm gonna stick to the plan. If we break back through this blue line, which is a 12-hour low, we could move back lower. But I'm gonna wait. and see what happens. I'm gonna see what happens first, because like I said, I'm gonna stick to the plan. We have data at 10 a.m. This will be a preemptive entry, and then I would be freaking pissed off at myself for not waiting. So I would rather just follow my plan. Do you trade for a percentage? Yes, we stack, like we compound our accounts. So I don't worry about the money because I'm trading based off of what's in my account. And I'm looking for a certain move. So there goes the move lower here. QQQ back at 600. Oh my God, I might actually take this. Let me see. I'm still gonna wait though. We're gonna wait. That chart looks complicated. It's all good. What is it called? Forex Factory. Nick, it's called the Forex Factory. I entered early on Tuesday and got smoked. Yeah, nah, that's why I said I'm gonna just be patient. I'm gonna wait though. But that's just what the entry would look like if we do break and close below. Sounds good, Kelly. Kind of just halting right here. Just be a little bit on the patient side. Indicators. Are we at 10K likes on the live? Is the live at 10K likes? Oh, it is. All right, here's my indicators. You guys got a couple seconds to screenshot it. There you go. You had 11K. Thank you, Neek. There you go. You guys can screenshot these. These are my indicators right here. I don't use all of them though. All right, so we got SPY just collapsing right now. QQQ is collapsing as well. SPX back 30 points down. Could potentially chop up here. This right here is not a good sign though. I do not like the way this looks. It's kind of just chopping both sides. Rest in peace, Luxago. Yeah, no facts. Yeah, Forex Factory. That's the site, Nick. Forex Factory. So we got data in 2 minutes. Data comes out in 2 minutes. Everyone's saying the market is crashing. There's a lot of fear in the market, so it's understandable to think why people would say that. Now look, this is another thing, TSA. QQQ is breaking back under 600. If we lose 600, which we just lost, we could have a major sell-off back to 589. Remember, 600 is a behavioral change in price action, so you want to watch us losing 600. QQQ low-key looks like the better setup to take, but we'll see. Base hit type of day, not facts. Do forget to tell us if the news is good or bad right away because we can sell our calls. You have to see, even if the news is good or bad, price will react. The market will react regardless of how it is. So you can have bad news and then it reacts positively. I'm at break even. The market is going to react how the market wants to react, regardless of how the news comes out, unless it's just something like catastrophic. As a swing trader, as long as SPY is above 677, is bullish. Okay, so there goes data at 10 a.m. So we also have this 3-1 setup on IWM here. If we break back above 260, 165, that's where I'll look to take the entry. But right now it's looking like very, very volatile. If we break back lower under this 12-hour low, I'll look to take this entry here under 260.52. So it looks really bearish right now. It looks really, really bearish. QQQ is also kind of pulling back here. So I'm just being patient. Being patient, being patient, being patient. Okay, so there goes the break and we flip to a 3-bar. I'm gonna actually look for this entry. I'm gonna size for 0 on this, y'all. I'm gonna size for 0 on this. So I'm in IWM right now, guys. I am in IWM, rejecting this 12-hour low. So we came up, we got exhausted. My target is down here at this 4-hour range. So I am currently in IWM right now. I have 258 puts. My entry was right here. Stop loss is back at the 3-hour reversal at the highs of the day, which is 261.62. And my target is down here at this 4-hour 258.69. So I'm currently in this, guys. Currently in this right now. So it either works or it doesn't. These contracts are up currently 10% right now. Contracts are currently up 10%. So we'll see. These are the contracts right now for proof that I'm in the trade. This is proof that I am in the trade. So there goes the move. Oh my goodness. Oh my gosh. These are up 15%. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Now you could use this as partials right here. So we're up 20% here. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my God. Oh my God. I'm gonna look to take some partials off right here, off that little move there. Okay, so I took a little bit here at this wick right here, just in case we reversed, but I still have a little bit of this portion of this trade in. Like I said, I'll get stopped out of the rest here, but I took a portion at 20%. So let's see if we can get this continuation though. I want to see if it continues. This is just securing just a little bit of profits on the front end though, just in case it wants to get bought back up and then we end up being chopped. Because one of the things you got to look at is on the hourly time frame, we are inside on the hour and we're sitting at the VWAP, and then you got QQQ, even though it's under 600, it's kind of looking a little choppier as well. So just being a little patient. Now, when this candle prints, it'll be ideal to see if we can get a strong close, and then we can set up for a continuation down to the opening candle. So this will be the move that we're looking for here. There goes SPY, just lost 680. So this is all in alignment right now. SPX actually just broke back. So we went failed 2 up. Now we're 2 down on SPX, coming back to 6,800. QQQ is back under previous day lows. This is looking very, I think this is going to hit the target. I'm very confident that we hit this. Yeah, we're looking at ETFs and indices right now, IWM. I'm actually very confident this happens. If it doesn't, it is what it is. This is your first time coming to my stream? Yeah, we teach everything. I teach everything A to Z inside of my Discord, but it's currently closed right now. There we go. Keep on moving, keep on moving. All right, let's see if we can get this, break this low of this 5 minute, this 3 bar. Now we did just close under the VWAP, which is kind of giving us confirmation that there is more selling pressure. So we just want to see if we can break in. There it is right there. Oh my gosh, it's literally right there. Okay, there we go. Yeah, I'm very confident we take out this target now. I'm very confident. 259, my first PT, and opening my print, my next target, 100%. When will the Discord be back open? I gotta actually ask TSA. TSA, when do you guys think I should open it back up? You guys think I should open it for them today? I know we didn't open it last time and they were pretty pissed. Nay said next year, Christmas, next holiday. That's crazy. Valentine's Day. April 15th. I'm gonna show y'all the responses. Look. This is live. This is TSA saying this right now. They said open it if I'm green. Oh, y'all are funny. Y'all are funny. 2030 is crazy. Oh, they're ball hogging. They definitely are ball hogging. It's all good though. Valentine's Day, show some love. Oh man, y'all are funny. SPY is at lows of the day. Lows on the 1 hour time frame, guys. So watch SPX 6900. Watch SPX 6900. It's a lot going on. Don't know what any of this means. You got to tap in, you know. It's okay. It's okay to not know. Got to chase the curiosity. 2030, y'all ain't right. Next Monday when you live trade, President's Day. Oh, y'all are crazy. Y'all are funny, bro. Look at IW, man. Beautiful setup. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful setup. Let's see what it. Did I just accidentally close this out? Did. My camera just died. Hold on, y'all. Let me return it on. You teach all of this in your Discord? Yes, we teach everything from A to Z. So even if you don't know what a candlestick is, you don't know anything about the stock market, we teach everything top to bottom. Top to bottom. So our target is right here, 250. You can look at 259, guys, as well, which is the low of this wick. But, you know, it's better to just go for open and print. All right, let's see where we at right now. Okay, so contracts are up about 70. Hold on, oops. I'm tripping. Not 70. Oh yeah, these are up pretty nicely. Hold on. See if we hit this target. I don't want to keep looking at it because I know I'm gonna get FOMO. Go ahead, IWM. Hit the target. Don't be shy. QQQ is at low of day. SPY sitting at just broke low of day. SPX breaking low of day. I'm very confident we hit this. Like I'm extremely confident we hit this trade. VIX is pushing up too. Perfect. Everything's in alignment right now. I mean, there's no reason to be nervous at this trade. There's no like a lot of times I think people get really nervous when they're trading because they're not confident in what they're taking. This was a setup that I was confident in. You had data, right? We also tried to break and came back through the 12-hour time frame, which again we taught in TSA. If you would have came to our class last night, obviously y'all aren't in TSA, but if you would have came to the class last night, you would have known all of this already. We literally talked about this like last night during our class. We broke all of this down. Yeah, we took the entry up here below this 260.50 level. That was our entry to the downside. Stop loss is at 261.62. This would change lives, and they talking about don't open the Discord. Hey TSA, y'all hear them? Bro, there's this girl, she just joined TSA not too long ago. She came from YouTube and she was watching my YouTube content and she made $1,100 off of the YouTube content, y'all. Now, TSA is just another tier of information, but you know, I got some good information out there. Send them my link. So let me get that commission real quick. Let me get that affiliate. Yeah, we definitely take out this target, y'all. I'm very confident in this. This is a beautiful setup. Beautiful setup here. Let's see if we can continue it. Tell them when Epstein files are released, they can get in. Which is gonna be never. When they actually release the Epstein files with the accurate information, not the BS that's highlighted out and blacked out and everything. We want the Discord and we want the YouTube. Man, look, I want $10 billion. I want 10 billion. Talk that. It's great call. Thanks, man. TSA, if we like, y'all should. This is like good rent. This is either rent money, depending on what size count y'all got. This is either rent money. This is your insurance. This could be lunch. This ain't lunch. This is dinner. This is a date night. Like, look at this setup. 16% right now. Let's go. TSA, where your IWM contracts at? Actually, don't even look until our target get hit. Don't even look until it gets hit. Don't even look till it gets hit. Boom. Open up there. Come on. Come on, just flush. Just give it to us. Just give it to us and let us go about our day. Because I'm definitely going to the sauna. I'm going to get into the I'm getting the cold plunge. Come on, bro. Hit the target. We can break low of day, we good. Come on. We 10 cents. We 10 cents off. 3 cents off, 4 cents. Target hit. TSA, drop your screenshots down below so they know we not playing around. All right, let me go ahead and close out. Bam, bam, bam. Closed out. About 60%. Closed out about 60%. Says the reversal trader. My trade closed out at about 60%. So I didn't leave runners on this time because I know I'm not going to be watching the market as much. I probably should have to look for this gap fill move. Actually, I probably should have left runners. Okay. I mean, come on. Like, TSA, drop y'all screenshots because I'm streaming right now. And I think they think we plan when it comes to our results. So drop your screenshots down below real quick for me. Actually, drop a... If you're green on the day off that trade, drop one of these down below if you're green. So guys, these are the profits from the Discord. These are everyone who just traded this live. The same exact trade I just gave y'all. Obviously, they already knew what we were looking at before the day, but you guys are seeing them right now. So these are the profits just from the Discord right now. QQQ, oh my God, massive sell-off. Holy. IWM breaking even lower, 22% on their account today, 68 bucks. 22% here. Let's keep going. This person made about 350 bucks, $130. Again, we called this out live. $237 here, 44%, $412 in profit, 5% on the account, 26% here on IWM, 17% on the account. Let's keep it going. If you're green on the day, drop one of those green plants. Look at this, bro. Oh my God, they can't tell me we not 16% on the count. Oh man, bro, we just do this. 32 bucks on the day. Let's go, Wigs. Paper traded it, all good. Paper traded it, all good. Let's go, Jay. Shout out to my dog Jeremiah. Shout out to Eddie as well. My guys. Trey, paper traded it. 12% on the account here. Look up, 13% on the account. TSA is the GOAT. 11% on the account. 52% here on IWM, 33 bucks, $23. Oh my God, it's just not stopping. Love this community, man. I love learning this shit. Let's see here. Nick, 165 bucks, 11% on the account. Getting more confident playing with my own money. Let's go. 13% on the account, 62% here. Oh my God, bro. The market is bleeding. Look at this. Next target is 257.94, guys. That is your weekly level. If we lose that weekly level, 257.14 is the next high probability setup or exit. He said, we really don't want to see people lives change. Bro, you're crazy. Left 3 runners from 7. Let's go, bro. Yeah, leave those runners and move the stop loss break even. Look, target 2 about to get hit right now. Look at this move, bro. Oh my gosh, bro. It's some stuff we gotta just gatekeep, TSA. I ain't gonna lie. Last night's class and those recordings, some stuff you just gotta gatekeep. It's only right. I'm sorry. I do believe that everyone should win, but if you're not a part of TSA, it is what it is. I don't know what to tell you. Look at this. Target number 2 about to get hit. We're about 6 cents off. We flipped on the 1 hour, 3-2. So notice how your target was just the 1 hour low, confirming downside. I think we trend lower the rest of the day. You got QQQ at 595. Oh my gosh, bro. This is just crazy, bro. Come on. Look at TSA, man. This is what we do, yo. The Discord, we do open and close enrollment, guys. We do open and close enrollment. And there's the bounce. Look at it right off the weekly level. Easy. Easy, easy, easy. Buyers are stepping in off that weekly level. Once again, if we lose that weekly level, it could go lower though. When is the next enrollment? All right, so here's what I'm gonna do. Target hit. Oh yeah, man. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. All right, if I open the Discord for 3 minutes, I don't think 3 minutes. I think 3 minutes is enough time to get enough people to where we say, all right, they either in or they're out. What do y'all think? Absolutely not. Oh, funny. How long does it usually take to see profit? I mean, some of these people are coming in their first week and already seeing profit. So Nay is not messing around. I'm not gonna lie. She's not messing around. Nope. Valentine's Day for 5 minutes. Let's grow our community. LOL, open it up. It's about to be Hunger Games in TSA, not for real. All right, so look, if you're in here on the stream, right? If you're on the stream, if we get 50 yeses, in a row, I need to see TikTok say 50 yeses has went through. If we get 50 yeses, Nay gonna give me 50 no's before y'all give me 50 yeses. That's crazy. If there's 50 yeses, I'll open it. But it'll only be for 3 minutes. We're at 24 right now, 32, 38. Oh my God. 40, 44, 46, 48. Oh. Hey, TSA, they actually hit it. Look, they actually hit it. 58. Where is it at? 65, 66. Oh my God. TSA, they would... Yo, that's crazy. Look at this. It says 77. Oh, where is it at? 80 yeses is crazy, bro. I'm getting bullied. They're getting bullied when they get in. Oh my God, man. Oh my God. All right, we're gonna open it, man. That's actually hilarious. Let me find the private link for you guys. Hold on. I gotta find the link that's actually active. 1 second. Let me see. Okay, so here's what we will do. I'm gonna open the link, the Discord, for 3 minutes. I'll let y'all know when it's in my bio. Give me 1 second. Let me see if I can find the right one. I have to find the right link, unless I send them to a wait list and then make them wait. So they thought they were getting in, and then they actually got to sit on a wait list. That'll be funny. All right, let's see here. What link is this? Okay, does this link work? It does. Okay. So then I'm gonna take this link and I'm gonna put it in my link in bio. Link in bio, where is that at? Oh, links. All right, TikTok, the link is in my bio now. The link is in my bio. You guys have all of 3 minutes. Class from last night is under chapter 3. Yes, it is under chapter 3, guys, in the TSA curriculum. It is under chapter 3. All right, so if you are watching the stream right now, the link is officially in my bio. Okay, link is officially in my bio. Let me walk you through how to access it. I will walk you through how to access it, and then I will set the timer. Okay, so you guys are here. You guys can start with, like I said, you can start with $500 if you wanted to, or less. I mean, honestly, I've seen people start with less. So look, if you're here on the stream, real quick, let me see something real quick. TSA. Yeah, no, they can't. He said, so look, TSA said, don't walk, y'all run. Don't walk, run. You got 3 minutes. If you can't get it done in 3 minutes, I don't know what to tell you, okay? Invest that tax money, not for real. So look, this is you on the stream, okay? Mind you, I'm not selling y'all on this, right? Like y'all wanted this. Remember, I said it was closed. Y'all got to 50 yeses. That's the only reason it's open. So again, if you're not serious about trading, if you're not serious about learning the craft, if you you just watched us trade this live. Some of you on the stream made live with us and you're not even in TSA. You just watched us take this trade. If you want to learn all of this, you want to know all of this, you want to be confident in doing this on your own. You keep talking about you want to do this, okay? This is a way, right? So what you want to do is you want to click here, right? You're on the stream. You're going to click on my profile at the top right. You're going to click it. Oh, crap. My link just died. I mean, my camera died. Hold on. Let me turn my camera on real quick. Yes, it's in my TikTok bio, guys. It is in my TikTok bio. Hold on. Let me see if my camera turns back on. That's life saying no new friends. Not for real. That might be a sign. I might just close it back down right now. Okay. So this is you. Oh my gosh. My camera just died again. Oh no, I didn't. Okay. So you're going to click on the top right picture, right? You're going to click on my face. You're going to go ahead and click there. You're going to go to my account. You're going to click here. When you click there, you will see the link in my bio right there. The link is in my bio. So you got 3 minutes. Let me set a timer. TSA, I'm only giving them 3 minutes. So it's like, I don't think that many people are going to sign up in 3 minutes, honestly. There's the timer. Once the 3 minutes is up, I'll close it back down, and then we'll put the wait list back up for TSA. Buyers holding back tears. Now they're getting smoked right now. Notice how so this is another thing too, was just either the weekly. Now obviously this wasn't my original target. My original target was this 4-hour target. But what I want to show you is that this is in alignment with the 1 hour. This target was in alignment with the 1 hour. For those of you watching this on the stream, you got 2 minutes. You have 2 minutes left to enroll into TSA. The link's in my bio. Live trading tomorrow. What's tomorrow? Friday? We might live trade tomorrow too. We might, yeah, because we got data tomorrow too. We might end up trading that live tomorrow. Prices at previous quarter highs. Yeah, I think price either we continue lower or we chop up around here. But the move we already caught our move. We didn't need to overdo it. All right, there's 1 minute and 30 seconds left. Oh, camera died again. Is this beginner friendly or more advanced traders? I'm brand new to trading. It's for people who are brand new, even if you're intermediate. So if you're brand new, intermediate, or just lacking consistency and you're an expert, not an expert, but you're not as consistent as you want, it's for all three. So you can come in and not know anything. My camera keeps dying, which means that's a sign. If you join the Discord, drop I joined down below in the Discord. I mean in the chat, in the TikTok chat. Drop a I join down below if you joined. Yes, I teach all of the indicators in the videos in my curriculum inside of the Discord. So our TSA is broken up into 2 tiers. We have our education portion, and then we also have our communication. The education is all in WAP, which is the link in my bio. And then the communication is all through Discord. So all of them are linked together. Your accounts are linked. So now you have a platform to watch all your videos. And then you have a platform for all things communication. You guys have 18 seconds left. Shout out to JR for enrolling into TSA. Shout out to Tizzy for enrolling into TSA as well. If you join TSA during this 3-minute time frame, go ahead and drop I join down below. There goes the trade, man. There goes the trade. Beautiful setup. I actually need to screenshot this and send it out to beautiful freaking trade, bro. I'm new here and learning a lot while you live trade. Thank you. I appreciate that. That means a lot. All right, let me take the link back out of my bio. And then TSA, we are done for the day. I don't plan on taking any more trades. My camera actually keeps dying too. Yeah, my camera is like literally overheating. I think we've been live for what? We've been streaming. I mean, I've been using the camera for what? Maybe an hour and a half now? 2 hours? Yeah, about 2 hours. So I guess that's just the max on my thing. There goes the second target for IWM TSA. Make sure you guys drop your screenshots in there. I'm up 200% right now. Oh my God. Oh my God. 200% right now is crazy. I'm still in IWM. Let's go, Eddie. All right, I'm gonna go about my day. I got a recovery day today, so I'm gonna go get in the. I'm gonna do fire and ice. I'm gonna go hop in the jacuzzi, and then I'm gonna go hop in the sauna, and then I'm gonna do cold plunge. So I gotta go do that. There goes IWM. Previous day lows. It's inside. Look at this. Oh my gosh, bro. Look at this move. Look at that. Beautiful setup, man. I had an L on the calls, and then I cut it and then took puts. Good job, Eddie. Way to not let the L hold you back from getting that W, bro. Easy money, easy money. All right, TSA. That's pretty much it for today, guys. Amazing job. This is what we talking about. I mean, this is what I'll be talking about. Great execution as a whole. We followed our plan. We showed up. We had proper risk management. If you left runners, great job. If you didn't, all good. Just close out the computer, walk away for the day. When you do, if for those of you who joined, shout out to Paul for joining TSA as well. If you join TSA, there's an onboarding video in the WAP. So you just download the WAP app. It's called WHOP. Just search that in your app store. And what you can go ahead and do is what you want to go ahead and do was in a meeting and missed the trade, still caught 20%. Let's go. That's what I'm talking about. You want to download the WAP app, and then there's a start here video. That's going to be all of your onboarding videos. You want to go ahead and watch all of the onboarding videos, okay? For the rest of you, if you want to watch some free stuff, you can either come to a class by clicking this little orange button if you didn't join TSA, or you can just go click the link in my bio. There's tons of free game in there. I got YouTube videos that are free. I got trade breakdown videos that are going to be coming out too. So yeah, that's it. TSA is back closed. So love you guys dearly. I hope that you guys enjoyed. TSA, amazing job on the execution. And yeah, that's another live trading day. I'm going to go enjoy my day. And I love you guys. Peace. Bam. And that is what we call a successful live trading session. All right. Amazing. Oh, for people on YouTube, here you guys go. My bad, guys. I actually didn't see that you guys were trying to join on YouTube. There's the link right there for those of you guys here on YouTube. Damn. All right, I'm gonna give y'all another 3 minutes on YouTube before I close that link down. I actually didn't see the YouTube chat over here. It was actually active. Yeah, you watch the start here video, the start here section. You watch all those videos. That's all of your onboarding. Let's go, John. $1,000. So let me show y'all some profits on the day from people in our Discord. Oh my gosh, we going crazy, bro. John, $1,500 on the day. 2,100 here on Eli Lilly, 950% on Eli Lilly. Let's go. Let's go. You guys can see some more profits. So she made about $100+ today, 10% on the account today. Biggest account percentage gain for me since we started. Closed out my IWM position because I just got to go to work, so I got to lock in. Feeling good. Let's go. 3% here. Got my piece. I'm Gucci. Lit. We green TSA. Cool. Lit, lit, lit. Took my L yesterday, came back and got it what I lost. Thanks, Tez. No problem. Let's go, man. This is what we do. This is what we do. Let's go, man. Beautiful day in the market. Beautiful. All right. Love you guys. I'll see you guys later. If you joined TSA, go watch the onboarding videos. If you didn't, all good too. Mic is muted. Y'all can't hear me? I should be able to hear me. YouTube, there's the link right there, y'all. Hey, yo, this is hilarious. Are you on every day? I don't stream every day. I haven't been as consistent recently, but I will get back to it. I will get back consistent. Just goes to show you don't need that many, you don't need that much money, and you don't need a bunch of tickers. MSTR. Man, they are getting hammered. All right, I'm gonna go do my my recovery day. So I'm gonna go do that. Bet I'm gonna start watching the video. Sounds good. Yeah, for the rest of you guys, like I said, go click the link in my bio. There's stuff in there that you guys can use